Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the realm of computer components with a detailed review of the ATX Desktop Motherboard with SATA M2 VGA output. This motherboard promises to deliver robust performance and versatility, catering to a wide range of user needs. Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the features. This ATX motherboard supports a variety of CPUs, including Core i7, i5, i3, and E3, V1, V2 series CPUs, ensuring compatibility with a broad spectrum of processors. This level of flexibility is a major plus for users looking to build a system tailored to their specific requirements. One standout feature is the M.2 interface, supporting AHCI protocol and boasting up to 6 gigabits per second transmission speed. This makes it an excellent choice for those seeking fast and efficient storage solutions, particularly as a replacement for 2.5-inch SSDs. Moreover, the inclusion of VGA, DVI, and HD multimedia interface outputs ensures a high-definition visual experience, perfect for multimedia enthusiasts and gamers alike. Whether you're watching movies, editing videos, or gaming, this motherboard has you covered. Another aspect worth mentioning is the multi-phase power design, featuring 3+1-phase power and solid-state capacitors. This translates to a stable and reliable power supply, essential for maintaining system integrity and performance, especially during demanding tasks or overclocking scenarios. Furthermore, the construction of the motherboard is solid, with a 4-layer printed circuit board enhancing running speed and durability. This ensures longevity and reliability, crucial factors in any PC build. In terms of installation and compatibility, this motherboard ticks the right boxes. It comes in the standard ATX form factor, making it compatible with a wide range of PC cases. The LGA1155 socket ensures compatibility with various CPU options, while the 4 DDR3 memory slots support a maximum capacity of 64 GB, providing ample memory for multitasking in demanding applications. Additionally, the inclusion of SATA 3.0 and SATA 2.0 ports, along with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 interfaces, ensures seamless connectivity with storage devices, peripherals, and accessories. This level of connectivity versatility is commendable and adds to the motherboard's overall appeal. To wrap things up, the ATX Desktop Motherboard with SATA M2 VGA HD output offers a compelling blend of performance, features, and compatibility. Whether you're a casual user, a content creator, or a hardcore gamer, this motherboard provides the foundation for a reliable and powerful system. With its robust construction, versatile connectivity options, and support for a wide range of CPUs and memory configurations, it's definitely worth considering for your next PC build. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.